see there is much separation between the saline and the red cells. And now the saline is to be canting out over to the waste. It will decant until the red cells are in the red cell detector. You see it's slowly getting less. And it will shut off when it detects the red cells. Then saline from your other bag will begin to drain down through the tubing, and it will mix the saline with the red cells 2 more times.